Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at Jobscan, Resume Worded, Teal, and Skillsyncer to see which one is the best resume optimizer. So I have here a list with different features. Now as you can see we have Jobscan, Resume Worded, Teal, and Skillsyncer. Now basically, if we take a look at the main purpose, we can see that with Jobscan we can improve resume alignment with job descriptions and increase the ATS success. With Resume Worded, we can enhance resumes with scoring, feedback, and keyword suggestions. Now on Teal, we can manage job applications, track progress, and optimize resume cover letters. And with Skillsyncer, we're gonna have to basically, as you can see, we can match our resume to a job description using AI. And this focuses more on keywords. Now here we have different pricing. So on Jobscan we have free tier and a paid plan that starts around $50 per month for advanced features. And then on Resume Worded is free with optional paid upgrades, so up to $69 per year. And then here Teal is free with optional paid features, and Skillsyncer the same, free with premium plans starting from $39 per month. Now, which one is the best for? So if you are a job seeker wanting to tailor resume for ATS and specific job descriptions, Jobscan is a good option. Then we have Resume Worded, those seeking detailed resume feedback and keyword optimization. Then we have Teal, active job hunters managing multiple applications and career resources. And then we have Skillsyncer, candidates aiming to optimize resumes and improving ATS success. Now here we have a resume. So Jobscan is excellent for tailoring resumes specifically for ATS and ensuring your keywords match the job description. Resume Worded offers detailed feedback and scoring to improve overall resume quality and LinkedIn profiles. Teal provides a comprehensive job management platform with resume and cover letter tools, ideal for you're applying to multiple roles simultaneously. And then we have Skillsyncer, emphasize keywords matching and ATS optimization, similar to Jobscan, helping your resume get past automated screenings. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.